Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sell TicketMaster ticket on Seatgeek. First, you have to log into your Seatgeek account. You can use Seatgeek official website or mobile application to log into your account. Then, after logging in, just hover over to your profile icon at the top right corner, or in the mobile app just simply click on it. Then you will find sell, simply click on it, and you will find this type of page where you can add your MLB tickets. Here you can connect your MLB account to your Seatgeek account to sell the MLB tickets. Also, you can sell your NFL tickets, you can sell your NCAA tickets, and the last one is you can sell your e-tickets. You can add your e-tickets by clicking on this button, add e-tickets, and actually you have to go with the e-tickets just because of you are going to sell Ticketmaster's ticket. Then you must need to download the ticket from Ticketmaster and make sure that you can use that ticket or share that ticket to other platform. It could be like this is the example of the ticket. You must need to download the raw original PDF, and here you can see you can upload the PDF of an e-ticket electronic ticket from a venue or vendor, as well as screenshot of valid QR codes for mobile tickets. So after downloading this original PDF or a screenshot of a barcode, then you can enter it, or you can drag and drop the PDF file or the screenshot here to put your ticket on sale in Seatgeek. You just need to download it from your Ticketmaster website or application, where you can you purchase the ticket. Then make sure that ticket is transferable. Then you can put this ticket on sale on Seatgeek. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.